A cohort of young men in Saint Lucia is delving into the intricate world of mushroom cultivation through a comprehensive workshop orchestrated by the Mushroom Collective. This 5-day intensive program blends classroom instruction with hands-on practical experience, aiming to engender a new generation of agricultural entrepreneurs and diversify the island's economic landscape. The curriculum extends beyond the technical aspects of growing fungi, incorporating crucial elements of commerce. Jade Hutchinson, president of the Mushroom Collective, elaborated on the workshop structure.
It's a 5-day workshop. The first 3 days are more theoretical training, where we train the boys on mushroom production, a bit of marketing and business development. And that's done in the classroom. And the other 2 days are more practical, where we do on-farm training. So they actually walk through the process of producing mushrooms from start to finish. The participants seem very engaged, asking a lot of questions. For them, it's also a business opportunity to start something on their own or to add to their current farm. So they're really engaged.
Enthusiasm among the participants appear high, with many viewing this as a viable pathway to self-sufficiency or an opportunity to augment existing agricultural endeavors. This initiative marks the second such training endeavor focused on young men, building upon prior successful programs with female participants.
This is their first mushroom training. We, the partners, the Mushroom Collective, we've done this a few times. So we've trained 25 women previously, and this is the second cohort of 25 young men. So we've trained 25 previously under the Boys to Men project, and this is the second cohort. At the end, what we expect is the boys to be able to start their own business or add that mushroom production to what they're currently doing on their farms. So we'll hopefully get more mushrooms being produced over time.
The overarching objective is to establish a robust mushroom industry within Saint Lucia, recognizing the versatile applications of fungi beyond culinary uses, including potential in materials and value-added products. The Youth Economic Agency is poised to provide ongoing support to participants eager to launch their own ventures, nurturing this nascent sector in the Saint Lucian economy.
So the Mushroom Collective is an organization set up really to support persons who want to grow mushrooms, but on the broader picture, we're really building an industry for mushroom production. It's something new to that country, but we realize an opportunity, and mushrooms can be used not only for food, but for value-added products, even including things like dried mushrooms, leather, packaging, etc. So the collective as an organization is focused on supporting production of mushrooms, but also doing the research behind other opportunities that mushrooms can present to the country. So at the end of the project, what we're hoping is that the Youth Economic Agency can support them moving forward. That's what they do. They provide support to entrepreneurs to grow their business. So those participants who are interested or who want to take this further will be engaged by the Youth Economic Agency to build their business from there on.
The exercise was held at the NSDC South in Vieux Fort. Joachim Duplessis, HTS News Force.